In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way to send multiple emails in Yahoo Mail all at once using simple steps. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and log into your account. Now click the Compose button on the top left. This opens a new message window. In the To field, start typing the email addresses of everyone you want to send the email to. You can either type each email and separate them by a comma or copy paste a list of emails from a document. You can also use the CC or BCC fields if needed. Use BCC or blind carbon copy if you don't want recipients to see each other's emails. Write your subject and message as usual. Add any attachments if needed. Once ready, click send and your email will go out to all selected recipients at once. If you send the same email regularly, you can save it as a draft or create a template using third-party tools like Mail Merge or Browse extensions. And that's how you send multiple emails at once in Yahoo, super fast and easy.